Hi everyone, I'm Amy with the Office Smart. Today's tip is AutoSum. The shortcut for AutoSum is Alt plus the equal sign. In column B, we'll find the sum of B4 to B6 by using AutoSum from the toolbar. In column D, we'll find the sum of D4 to D6 by using the AutoSum shortcut of Alt plus the equal sign. This shortcut is especially useful to avoid returning to the Home tab of the toolbar. I hope you learned something new today that could help you be Office Smart. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy learning Excel. It's free. Also, please click the bell to stay notified when new videos are available. Thanks everyone. See you next time.